we wanted to share with you some tips and tricks to get the most out of your link experience. Our rolling toolbox has integrated tie-down anchors to bungee any larger items on top without the risk of it falling. The handle can be removed with a T25 screwdriver to be placed under a truck tonneau cover. Don't want to forget the screws? Throw them in our accessory bit compartment located in the lid. This compartment provides the perfect place to store these smaller items and bit bars. The customization doesn't stop there. The double and single organizer bins can be easily moved between toolboxes and wall with no hassle. You can even take your organization a step further by incorporating the foam inserts.